Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but you know, life. That's all I can say. Life happens. And I had to take a break. I hope you guys still love me. I'm so sorry I've been gone so long, but I am back and I just had to come and show you guys this new wig that I got. Shout out to Love Me Hair because they are supporting me on my journey back to YouTube, and they decided to send me this headband wig. You guys, never tried this before and I was so scared because I like my lace. But I had to show y'all, especially for my first time wig wearers and everybody in that category who don't know how to do their wigs, watch this video. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know. I hope I covered everything in this video, but you guys know I will respond in the comment section or Instagram or whatever. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, so keep on watching.
Okay, so the package came from DHL. It was super quick. Came within a few days of ordering it, and it also came in this beautiful purple box with a bow, like late Christmas, you guys. I'm not sure if everyone's gonna receive the hair this way, but this is how I received it, and I just wanted to show you guys this. And just so this video isn't too long, I'm gonna go ahead and speed past everything that came in the box so you guys can look what comes in the box. Now onto the details of the actual hair. So I took the hair right out of the bag and wanted to show you guys how it came. So this is the wig fresh out the bag. This is the part of the headband. So wherever the lace would be on the wig, that's where the headband is. And look at the gloss of this hair. It's so pretty, soft and bouncy. This wig comes with 3 combs and a Velcro elastic in the back. So it has 1 comb in the back, 3 in the front, 1 in the middle, 2 on the sides. And I wanted to let y'all know this Velcro was Velcroing. Listen, I had to rip that thing with my teeth. So if y'all worry about security of this wig, don't, because the Velcro's there and those combs. I will talk a little bit more about that later on in the video, but I also want to show you guys how the hair reacted. So when I got the wig right out of the bag, the ends were really good. They looked like they were just cut. It did have a slight smell to it, as well as a little bit of shedding. As you can see, I'm running my hands right through it, but I'm going to show you the shedding of the wig as well. This is how the wig looks on the wig head, so you can imagine what it looks like on your head. Now the shedding of this wig isn't bad. This is curly hair, and as everybody says, curly hair sheds, and we don't know what this wig has been through before it got to me. So this is all the shed hair after finger combing throughout the entire wig, not that much. Now when this hair is all brushed out or finger combed out, it's really soft and flowy, like it's not weighed down to anything. So if you're into really lightweight wigs, this would probably be the perfect wig for you. The hair is so pretty, the curls are amazing. So if you like to keep your hair in that state, I definitely wouldn't recommend adding product, but I'm going to show you guys the products I did use on this wig. Other than that, I would just recommend like some foaming mousse or just plain water. Now in this next clip, I want to show you guys the bearded hairs in this wig. It does have some short hairs against the width of the bundle. So if you know hair, I just want to show y'all. I don't know if you guys will need that, but yeah. Now on to washing the hair. I suggest you guys never ever wear your wigs straight out of the box because they can be extremely dirty, and I'm going to show you guys all of that in this video. Shampoo, conditioner, I usually use the Suave from the dollar store, but this is what I had left today. Suave or anything less expensive will work fine with especially washing and conditioning the hair. I also use that silicone mix to deep condition the hair, and in this clip I'm showing you guys how clear the water is before washing. Pay attention to after. So I'm adding the shampoo to the water, and I'm just going to be squeezing and wringing out the hair into the water, and I'm going to show you guys what this water looks like. Now look at this water, you guys, extremely dirty. That's why I never suggest wearing a wig straight out of the box, the bag, whatever. This is the safest thing you guys can do so you don't get any reactions or breakout or anything from your wigs. So I went ahead and washed the wig a few more times until the water ran clear, and I'm also going to show you guys when the water is clear. So keep washing your wigs until the water runs clear, please. So these are the products I use for the hair. Curl Enhancing Smoothie from Shea Moisture and the Moisture Milk from African Pride. I used to use this on my own hair, but now I just use it on my curly wigs. It keeps the wigs nice and shiny, soft. Also, if you don't like your wigs big and poofy, these products are really good to put on your curly hair as well.
Okay, you guys, this install is about to be really simple and quick. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put the wig on to show you guys 1, 2, 3 you out the door. Okay, so I just have my hair slicked back and got little individual braids in the back. It's just slicked back at the top and then individual little plaits in the back. And this is the wig right here. So I did fluff her out a little bit just to get a little bit of fullness. So yeah, let's just go ahead and put her on. I got this Velcro in the back already attached. This is what makes it fit a little bit better. I have it on the last piece of Velcro right there. So I'm gonna slip it on. Okay, this is what it looks like on, you guys. Y'all know usually I don't go for the combs in wigs, but for this, in order for it to stay in place, you know, you probably have to put in the combs Or if you guys want to sew your wigs on, I do have a video about how to sew in your wig, so you guys go check that out. This wig right here is so cute. It's so soft and fluffy. I would put it up in the half up, half down style. Tried it. It's not enough hair. She needs a little bit more density. So I did cut a little bit of layers in it as well because it was giving me bland. She was giving me bland. This is how she looks, you guys. And I do want to show you guys all of the headbands that I have. So this is the black band. I don't even have it stretched out all the way. Let me see. I don't know. Nope, I kind of like it pushed back so you can see a little bit of my hair. It's cute. So a headband I have is this army fatigue one. Not really a big fan of it, but you know, if you have like a nude or brown outfit, like monotone, this would be super cute. Also have the leopard one. This is my favorite one because if you know me, leopard is like my favorite pattern. Like this is the one. Also has this cute little floral one right here, purple, yellow, and green flowers, as well as this one, but this is more like yellow and it's thinner right here, and it has the little drawstring in the back, so that's really cute. And then also this red, white, and blue one with some black and yellow. This, what's this pattern? I don't know, but yeah, I kind of want one of those headbands to have like the little crystals and stuff across the top. Yeah, this hair is so cute. So if you guys need something get up and go, something super quick, something really easy, first time wig wearers, this is a really good type of wig to have. I haven't worn wigs in a while. I've been letting my hair breathe, you know. Yeah, this is a good start to come back to. So if you guys have any other questions, don't forget to comment down below. Like this video, let me know any other videos you guys want to see. And I love you guys, and I will see you all in the next one.